Get ready to transform your home into a festive wonderland this holiday season. The best Christmas lights for roof will make your house sparkle like never before. Easy to install, durable, and dazzlingly bright, they bring magic to every corner. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. POOFZY Christmas Light for Roof. The POOFZY Christmas Light for Roof is a versatile and durable outdoor lighting solution designed for homeowners who want a spectacular holiday display without worrying about weather conditions. Built with IP67/IP68 waterproof and dust-proof materials, these lights are engineered to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, making them perfect for year-round outdoor use. The 16 million color options, along with dynamic effects and pre-installed Christmas themes, allow users to create stunning visual displays that range from cozy evenings to lively holiday parties. One of the standout features is its smart zone and voice control capability, enabling effortless management through a mobile app. Users can adjust brightness, set timers, create synchronized music light shows, or customize colors to match any occasion. The quick setup design with heavy-duty VHB adhesive and clips ensures that each light can be installed in as little as 8 seconds, and tail connectors allow expansion up to 400 feet. Beyond holiday magic, these lights provide elegant illumination for daily outdoor aesthetics. Energy-efficient 24V power and a long 50,000+ hour lifespan make them a sustainable choice. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, a party, or simply enhancing your home's exterior, POOFZY lights deliver brilliant, reliable, and customizable lighting that elevates any outdoor space with style and ease. Number 2. CETELUMA Christmas Light for Roof. The CETELUMA Christmas Light for Roof is an exceptional choice for homeowners seeking permanent, high-quality outdoor lighting. With a 300-foot length and advanced LED technology, these lights deliver uniform, bright illumination, eliminating dark spots and providing professional-grade coverage for entrances, gardens, and rooftops. Engineered to endure extreme weather, CETELUMA lights feature durable materials and an IP67 waterproof rating, maintaining consistent performance through rain, snow, or scorching sun. Energy efficiency ensures stunning brightness without inflating utility costs, while the glare-free design enhances safety and aesthetics. One of the most impressive aspects is the Smart App Control, which allows users to adjust colors, brightness, and timers effortlessly, creating a personalized ambience for every occasion. The built-in music sync feature further elevates the experience by letting the lights pulse and change with any music, transforming outdoor spaces into dynamic environments for parties or intimate gatherings. Whether choosing warm, cheerful, or romantic tones, these lights adapt to your mood and event, delivering a visually captivating display. Installation is straightforward, and the durable design promises years of reliable performance. CETELUMA Christmas lights for roof not only provide beautiful illumination, but also a highly customizable and interactive experience, making them perfect for homeowners who want a professional, festive, and functional lighting solution. With these lights, every holiday season becomes brighter, safer, and more memorable. Number 3. CETELUMA 400-foot Christmas light for roof. The CETELUMA 400-foot Christmas light for roof offers an upgraded solution for those who want expansive and reliable outdoor illumination. With 400 feet of advanced LED lights, it provides bright, uniform lighting, eliminating dark spots while covering larger areas than standard light strips. The glare-free illumination enhances safety and aesthetics, perfect for entrances, gardens, and rooftops. Designed for extreme weather endurance, these permanent outdoor lights maintain consistent performance in sun, rain, snow, and freezing temperatures, thanks to IP67 waterproof ratings and durable materials. The Smart App-controlled features allow homeowners to customize lighting zones, colors, and brightness with ease. Automatic schedules, one-touch presets, and music synchronization make these lights versatile for various occasions, from holiday decorations to lively parties or cozy outdoor evenings. The RGB lighting options provide millions of colors, creating dynamic and visually stunning effects tailored to individual preferences. Installation is simple and expandable, enabling users to design large-scale displays with minimal effort. Energy efficient and long-lasting, these lights are designed for sustainable outdoor use while providing a spectacular aesthetic impact. CETELUMA 400-foot Christmas light for roof is not just a decorative tool. It's a comprehensive lighting system that transforms outdoor spaces into immersive experiences. Whether celebrating festive seasons, hosting outdoor events, or enhancing everyday outdoor ambience, these lights deliver a brilliant, customizable, and durable solution that keeps homes illuminated and inviting year-round. Number 4. INZIDO Christmas Light for Roof. INZIDO Christmas Light for Roof offers a premium outdoor lighting solution with all-weather durability and advanced customization. Constructed with high-quality UV-resistant materials and waterproof technology, these lights withstand rain, snow, sun exposure, and extreme temperature fluctuations without fading or damage. The unique lens design produces a 100 degrees triangular lighting effect with an impressive 24-inch wall wash depth, creating a visually striking display. With 16 million colors and 58 preset scenes, homeowners can effortlessly craft the perfect ambience for holidays, parties, or daily outdoor aesthetics. Smart App Control allows for easy customization of each light zone, with options for timers, brightness, and individual color settings. INZIDO lights excel in versatility, providing soft RGB illumination for daily elegance and vibrant holiday decorations. Installation is simple and flexible, allowing placement along eaves or walls to achieve the desired effect. These permanent outdoor lights not only enhance home aesthetics, but also improve safety by providing consistent, professional-grade illumination. Energy-efficient design ensures bright, sustainable lighting without excessive power usage. Whether it's a festive celebration, family gathering, or quiet evening outdoors, INZIDO Christmas Light for Roof delivers stunning, reliable, and highly adaptable lighting. Its combination of durability, smart features, and aesthetic versatility makes it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking long-lasting, customizable, and visually impressive outdoor illumination. Number 5. KSIPZE Christmas Light for Roof. KSIPZE Christmas Light for Roof is designed for homeowners who want durable, versatile, and visually striking outdoor lighting. Built with UV-resistant materials and IP67 waterproofing, these lights perform flawlessly year-round, enduring rain, snow, extreme heat, or freezing cold. Dual control options, via app or simple button, allow users to select from 16 million colors, 200 preset scene modes, and customizable lighting combinations. The signature triangular lens design ensures a wall-washing depth exceeding 20 inches, providing even illumination and enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any outdoor space. KSIPZE lights are suitable for festive decorations and everyday ambience, offering soft RGB illumination that instantly brightens patios, eaves, and rooftops. Installation is simple, with adhesive tape and optional screws, and maintaining a 2 to 4 inch distance from walls ensures optimal performance. Energy efficient and long-lasting, these lights are perfect for homeowners who want a combination of durability, style, and functionality. Whether decorating for holidays, hosting outdoor events, or creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, KSIPZE Christmas Light for Roof delivers brilliant, reliable, and customizable lighting that elevates the beauty and safety of outdoor spaces. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.